Hello, I hope you are well. Welcome to my new subscribers. You may have seen my Larimar effect test in previous video. It wasn't quite right. The back a little. There is this movement of the white, but the other side, no, not at all. It wasn't right. So, I'm going to try again, of course. I have to find the right formula. So I think it's my white that's a little too thick. I'd used a lot of it in that first try, and maybe my resin is too thick too. I'd have to use a low viscosity resin. I'm trying again with this mold. I prepare my resin, divide into small cups. So there are 3 measures of resin. In the first is the white, and in the second my other 2 colors. For the white, I'm going to take it easy. I'm going to put 1 drop to start with. So I'm sorry I didn't pay attention to the framing. Well, I'm just mixing. It's nothing great, but I'm really sorry. In fact, I'm only going to put 2 drops on this white. Okay, it's ready, and I'm going to move on to my darker color. It's a color from Mrs. Colorberry. It's Cosmic Blue. This color is a little transparent. I put 2 drops, but it's still really transparent. Too much. So, what can I do? Well, I'm going to add something else, more darker. I'm going to go for a stronger blue, if I may say so. Here it is. It's river blue. I added a drop, and it does indeed get darker, but still retains a certain transparency. I hope I'm not wrong again in what I think I have understood for this technique. Well, we'll see. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. And for my last cup, I'm going to use a dye ink. It's Sky Blue from Sanaha. There is 3A. It's a blue, so we are staying completely in the blues. I love blues. I'm going to add drop by drop because really I don't want to go too hard. I'm going to add about 5 drops of this ink because resin inks are generally very, very transparent. Oh, it makes a great color and a nice contrast with the other. It's pretty, yes. So now my cups are ready. I'm really crossing my fingers that it will work. I'm wiping my stick, but you'll see that it's completely useless. And now, my white. I pour it into the mold first. It's well distributed, but not too much because it mustn't overflow, of course. You see, I wiped off my stick, but I'm using it again. It was perfectly useless. Sometimes I want to save time, like by doing certain things, but in fact, no, it's useless. I have poured absolutely all my white. It's not as thick as the last time. And now I'm moving on to my dark color, which I'm going to pour into the middle, approximately. Yes, it's about in the middle. The mixture of these 2 blues is very nice, yes. And I check that it doesn't go over the edges of my mold, because that will be the end of it. Well, I've still got a little blue left, but it's okay. And now I'm going to pour the lightest color. My lighter for the bubbles. Let's see if this time it's going to work. For the moment, nothing's happened. Oh. I don't see anything coming. Unfortunately. And then it normally starts right away. So it's not my quantity of white. It must come from the very nature of this white. I don't know. And then you'll see I'm going to make a mistake. As I have got quite a few bubbles, I'm going to spray alcohol on them. And I saw, but too later, on Julie Cuts from Pouring Your Art Out, that you shouldn't spray alcohol because it destroys the Larimar effect. Well, I didn't know that. One more little mistake. Oh my gosh. So, here, it's my blue that running a little over my white, whereas it's the white that should be coming to the center. Because I've got some resin left, I'm not going to waste it, of course. I've got only these two blues. I'm going to pour them in this little round mold. You should always have a little mold next to you, even several, because depending on how much resin you've got left, it's always interesting to use them and not waste the resin, of course. And then I'm going to add my clear resin too. So I can see a little effect for the first one with the white, but frankly it's very, very light. When I look at the TNR channel, or even now at Julie from Pouring Your Art Out, it's much clearer and much faster. Well, never mind. I think that really next time, yes, because there will be a next time, of course, I don't want to fail, not to be able to do this effect, which seems relatively simple, so I need to find the right density and all that. So now I'm just waiting for the effect to happen, even if it's slight. Please, please. So a little close-up. It's very cloudy, fluffy. It's cute, but it's not what I want. So the little round coaster, it's clear there won't be any Larimar effect at all. I know that, but this one first. Oh, damn. Well, let dry. So the little blue is nice, cute. I like colors because I like blue. But after that, it's nothing extraordinary. So let's see what it looks like on the other side. Yes, it's nice. It's transparent. I don't know, maybe I'll put a tattoo on it. Maybe, yes. And this one. Well, my white came closer to the center, but it didn't go all the way to the center. You can see some little cells. I'd say ghostly cells. So here at the top, and well, no, I don't have any Larimar effect, so it's transparent. Then you see in the middle, the light blue has made, I don't know, it looks like little feathers. Yes. Well, it looks very, very cloudy, very, very cottony, but that's not the Larimar effect, of course. No, that's not it. Well, this is my second try, but I won't be the last, because I really want to know why I can't do it. So is it my white which isn't suitable for this effect? Probably. And I have ordered a different type of white. So let's try again. Eventually I'm going to get that Larimar effect. I hope this video will be useful to you too. We are learning together. If you have any tips to give me, please don't hesitate, because I'm really looking forward to it. I love this Larimar effect, so I want to do it. Yes. So stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget the little thumbs up. Subscribe. It helps my channel a lot, and it's free. I've got 1,000 subscribers, so I'm very, very happy. Thank you all. Thank you, thank you. Until we meet again for new adventures, take good care of yourself. See you soon. Bye.